you're a small creator and you want to post more, but you run out of ideas, you don't know how to come up with ideas, here's how to make 4 videos from one outing. All right. Let's say you want to go out with your friends, or you want to go to the beach, or you want to go to a new restaurant you just found out. Here's how you can make 4 videos from just one outing. Okay. So the first video you want to make is peek my outfit with me. All right. This is where you select the outfit you want to wear and have it in mind. You already know the outfit you want to wear. Okay, you have that already, but just wear one that you're not really going to wear so people can pick with you. All right, that's a content strategy. And at the end of the day, you pick the one you want to wear and be like, okay, I think this makes sense, I think this works. Okay, yes, that's the first one. The second kind of content you can create with that same outfit is a get ready with me. So this is a bit tricky because you need to make sure you are funny and engaging while you do this. Okay, everything doesn't really need to be too serious. You can do whatever. You can take your brush and swipe your head several times with a brush if you're a guy, or do your makeup, whatever. This is really good for the ladies because there's so many things you guys do when you want to dress up. So this is a content on its own. Then you look for a situation that happened to you in the past, something interesting, maybe someone else's story. All right, make sure the story has some funny twist in it. All right, use that story for the get ready with me. Just you can either use that story while you do your dressing or whatever, while you tie your shoe, wear a necklace or whatever, or you can just do a voiceover if you can't talk on the spot. Okay, so that is another content on its own. Another kind of content you can create with that same outing is a recap of the outing. Maybe for instance, after you finish dressing and you go outside, you make like a 5 seconds video of the cab or the car you're driving, the streets, and maybe when you got to the restaurant or the location, you actually saw that it has really nice aesthetics. Your friends are coming, you're making a video, you guys are doing a high five or you're greeting each other, whatever. So all of these videos, you can compile all of these videos, put them together at the end of the day, and tell your experience. All right, how it happened, when the food comes around, what happened. Just give it a twist and make it very engaging. People love stuff like that. They always want to follow through every single thing you do. More like a story time type of content. Okay, so a recap of the outing, just like that. That's a very superb one. Make sure you have a twist to it. Make sure it's interesting. Make sure while you're telling your story, while people are watching that video, it's not boring. And again, it shouldn't be too long. It can be something around 1 minute at max, or something very, very quick that hits. That's a third video for the same outing. Now you are at the location. All right, you need to create content with your friend, or maybe you're there alone. Just go to the bathroom. You can create like a 20 seconds video of a sound you've already saved before you got there. Okay, remember, not all locations allow content, so you need to make sure the location you are going to and what they allow. If you're on the beach, you can create content with your friends. Maybe you just create like a very quick TikTok sound that you saved. Yeah, that would really help as well. So that's how you create 4 content with just one outing. So save this video or share it to whoever you think might need this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.